Today we're going to talk about in-cab brake inspections. And so the first thing you're going to do is make sure your wheels are chocked, which they are back there. And then what you're going to do is turn the engine on and make sure you have enough air pressure that that alarm that just went off goes off. And at that point, depending on where the needle is, you can go ahead and shut that off, which I'm going to do. I'm going to push in the yellow brake, put the truck in gear, and what I'm going to do is feather the brake until the needle drops to certain points. The truck is settling. The low pressure warning light should come on before 60 psi, and your yellow button should pop out between 20 and 45 psi. So that's what we're looking for. So the key's in the on position. Feather brake. And that came on right at 60. So we're going to keep going that fast. Waiting for that button to pop out. And it has popped out before it hit 20 psi. So there, we're good. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is check our rate of air pressure buildup. So do a safe start, make sure it's in neutral. And for this, you want to make sure that it builds from 85 to 100 in 45 seconds or less without throttle. But I'm going to give it some throttle here to get it up close to 85, so it'll save us a little bit of time here. And when it gets close to 85, I'll let the throttle on. About 85 now, so we're going to wait 45 seconds, and that should build up to 100 in that 45 seconds. That is up above 100 within 45 seconds, so that passes. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and turn our engine off again. Easy on this side. Turn it back to the on position. I want to make sure it's in a gear here. I'm going to release the brake again, and for 1 minute I'm watching the needle, and after that initial air loss of releasing the brake, you should not have more than 4 psi of air loss on a combination vehicle, or 3 on a straight truck. So we will watch that. Okay, and we're not losing any air, so we'll pretend it's been a minute. Now, just a point of correction here. It's 3 seconds for a combination without your foot applied to the brake, and it's 4 seconds with the brake applied. So we just did it without the foot pedal being pressed down. We're going to do it with the brake pedal this time, and in this case, it can be no more than 4 seconds for a combination vehicle. So again, you wait until after that initial air loss. And you watch for 1 minute. And for the sake of time, we're going to roll on. So the final thing we would do is do another safe start, and if we were further away from the building, I'm not going to move the truck, but you would put it in gear, move forward, you know, get it up to about 5 miles an hour, and then apply the foot brake and make sure the vehicle stops without any pulling or any issues like that. And that is about it for the in-cab inspection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Next, we're going to test the cut-in and cut-out pressure on the governor. So to do that, we're at a little under 120. That should cut off the 4 or right around 125. Okay, now the next part of this test is to band the brakes down. That governor should cut in with about 30 psi of where it cut out. So I would say between 90 and 95. Now to do this, as you're pumping down, when you get close to the cut-in pressure, you should let off the brake. Stop pumping the brake to see if that's actually going to build up and cut in. So we're going to watch it. We're still at 90. We're going to give it some fuel just to make it quicker. And you can see the needle moving up. That means the compressor has cut in, and so that passes. Okay, the one thing I forgot is the testing the parking brake. And for that, you're going to set the brake, crank the truck up, and all you're going to do is pull forward and see if that spring brake holds.